Hello, we're going to cover installing a Raspberry Pi system from the initial unpackaging from the box. After having assembled your Raspberry Pi, connecting the HDMI, the USB micro power connector, your keyboard and your mouse, once power and the SD card, which is inserted into the side slot. The SD card is formatted with a bootloader known as Noobs. This is the Noobs initial boot up screen once the system powers up. The purpose of Noobs is to choose an operating system to install on your Raspberry Pi. By default, the Noobs card comes with an operating system called Raspbian, which is a Linux-based distribution based off of the Debian one, and the one most recommended for beginners on the Raspberry Pi. So once you're at the Noobs boot screen, what you want to do is come down here to make sure you choose your language. Since the Raspberry Pi is made in England, the default is English UK. If you're in the US, you want to make sure to change that to the US, which will actually give you the correct keyboard mapping. Otherwise, you might find strange characters showing up on your keyboard. The next step is to check the box for the Raspbian distribution and then click Install. Last time it'll give you a warning. Just click Yes, and the installation process will begin. It will automatically format the partition table, install the operating system, and then it'll reboot. Once it comes up, you will have a screen that looks like this, which is the default Raspbian screen. This process may take several minutes depending on the speed of your SD card, so please be patient.